Hi guys! So today we are making a simple chocolate cake for everyday but with a twist. I added some orange flavor that's gonna make it unique and so moist in the inside. It's perfect on breakfast time. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Ready? Let's go! So first you're gonna add the eggs, the orange zest, and the sugar, and you're gonna find all the ingredients and measurements in the description box. You're gonna add a little bit of salt and beat everything together until it doubles in volume. When the mixture starts to be like this, you're gonna add the vegetable oil and the water. Next we're gonna stop beating and we're gonna add the baking powder, the powdered milk. If you don't have it, you can replace the water with the milk, normal milk. Then we're gonna add the cacao powder, and we're gonna add the flour as well, and we're gonna mix everything with the hand mixer. In a baking mold, we're gonna add the mixture. Don't forget to grease and flour the mold, or just put a parchment paper so the cake won't stick. Then we're gonna bake it in an oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Next we're gonna make the syrup. We're gonna heat some orange juice with sugar, and we're gonna put some holes in the cake and pour the orange juice mixture. The cake should be cold and the syrup should be hot, so the cake will absorb the liquids. Finally, we're gonna decorate with some coconut, and we're gonna leave it aside until it cools down. And you're done. You can of course decorate with chocolate shavings or some chocolate sauce, or just leave it as is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the content so I can make more videos for you. Thank you for watching. Bye!